You guys already know that I am a big fan of watching unboxing videos, so I figured it out. It was about time for me to make one by myself. And by the way, if you guys think I should start my own unboxing channel, be sure to leave a comment below. Okay, anyways, I know everyone has been waiting for this moment with a lot of excitement. So let's start. In front of me is the Realme 5i package. Why don't you guys take a closer look before I open it? Let's cut it open and see what we have got inside. So we can see some standard accessories, which is a quick guide and some instructions for us to follow. A phone, which is one of the most beautiful and the hero of the day. Let's keep it aside for a moment. We can see a standard charger, a 10-watt standard charger, and accessory and a cable. I think that's all. Now let's keep the box aside. I can see the SIM ejector tool also as well inside. Let's start with the storage first. So the new 5i comes with 4GB, 64GB RAM, which is much more practical and sufficient option in the sub 10K segment. So let's look at the phone first, and let's take the SIM ejector tool and see what's inside. So it comes with a triple SIM slot and dual SIM with an expandable memory of 256GB, one of the most important thing. So let me put it back. Now let's talk about the design. Look at these colors. Look at the way the light touches the phone. Kind of looks like there's a sun rays beneath. Well, that's exactly what the Realme 5i design looks like. We call this as a sunrise design. Check this out closely. This is where the real craftsmanship meets the polished grain back cover. We have improved the previous Realme 5 diamond cut design and taken it to a more detailed level by crafting all these amazing textures on the back. And it doesn't end there. The Realme 5i sports a mirror polished rear shell, and each grain is processed by the industry leading German 5-axis precision radium carving machine. After 600 minutes of polishing, we are able to bring to you the stunning visual experience what is Realme 5i. Keeping in line with the design principle we have taken directly from the palette of the nature, we are bringing the Realme 5i to you in two different colors. In my hand, presenting you the aqua blue. Meanwhile, we also have a forest green here. The appearance is just as important as how it feels in your hand, which is why we have got a 3D slim body, and we know how much you hate those fingerprints on your beautiful Realme 5i. So we have even added an anti-fingerprint surface. So let's move on to the display. At Realme, we want to keep pushing boundaries. So with 5i, we are going to bring the new dawn of immersive viewing. Let's light the screen up and let's see. This is the biggest screen at this price point, a 6.52 inch with an HD screen. The Realme 5i also comes with a mini drop display to make the view more immersive. The mini drop is 39% smaller than the previous Dewdrop design, so that we can achieve an 89% screen to body ratio. And ColorOS 6.1, yes guys, will come out of box featuring a very stable and smooth software experience with lot of customized features for Realme devices. The much-loved dark mode has also been introduced straight out of box now. More surprises will also come as Realme 5i will receive the Realme UI updates later, so you can also get a much customized and much closer to stock Android experience very soon. The Realme 5i comes with a very friendly price, but there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to get some of the best features available in the high-end segment. The Realme 5i comes with not one, not two, but three major best-in-class key USPs: battery, performance and camera. So let's start with the battery first. This is the best-in-class battery with a remarkable 30 days of battery standby time. Realme 5i comes with our largest battery ever, a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity, which also supports reverse charging so that you can even charge all your other devices with it. We are also giving you a battery safety guarantee. The Realme 5i also carries a 4-cell security system to give you the unprecedented safe experience while charging. To show you just what we mean, here's a quick comparison with the brand S M20 and the brand R Note 8. You can see even while we are comparing the big 5000 mAh Realme 5i battery still crushes in each segment. Realme 5i will give you the best battery performance in sub 10K segment. To truly bring in the new dawn of performance under 10K segment, the Realme 5i comes with a Snapdragon 665 AIE octa-core chipset. The 11nm processor will have a clock speed up to 2 GHz with a 20% graphics performance improvement. To give you the fastest, smoothest smartphone experience, the faster LPDDR4X RAM will boost 100% RAM performance improvement for you. Now about the best and the favorite part, camera. The best in class camera, the new ultra-wide quad camera setup is essential. The main camera of Realme 5i is a 12 megapixel sensor with 1.25 micron larger pixel size and an aperture of 1.8 that has been optimized for photos and videos. Apart from the main camera, Realme 5i will also have 119-degree ultra-wide angle lens to capture a 4x wider landscape when you shoot. Along with the portrait lens and the macro lens, Realme 5i will deliver a superior image quality beyond any of its competitors. Before I forget, the Realme 5i's 12 megapixel shooter continues to deliver one of the best night scene shooting experience in this price segment. With the Super Nightscape 2.0 to capture the delightful nights, Super Nightscape 2.0 will now support the main camera, ultra-wide angle camera at the same time. For video lovers, you can now shoot video with EIS that will support wide angle and ultra-wide angle shooting both. With 4K video and 240 frame per second slow motion shooting, Realme 5i will become another vlogger benchmark under 10K. The Realme 5i also has the best quality in class. The Realme 5i adopts a splash resistant design which protects all the interior and the exterior components from water splash, including the screen, back cover and the buttons, thanks to its airtight sealing. I hope you loved the unboxing and you are pretty excited about it. So guys, let's have a quick recap of Realme 5i, one of the most stylish powerhouse from the Realme 5 series. With all its best-in-class product experience, the largest 5000 mAh battery with 30 days standby time in the sub 10K segment, the most powerful chipset Snapdragon 665, the AI quad camera setup with most all-rounder shooting and video capabilities, including the Super Nightscape feature, the largest 6.52-inch mini drop full display under 10K, a speedy LPDDR4X 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM with a dedicated 256GB expandable storage in triple slot. What else? The stunning new sunrise design. Now to answer the question that you have been eagerly waiting to ask, how are we going to price the stylish quad camera powerhouse? Well, the Realme 5i is going to be priced at ₹8,999 only.